So now we will talk about the list. This is the one of the most important topic in a Python. In previous video I have teach you regarding the string. In this video I will teach about the list. So whenever you are going for an interview, there will be some question related to string and as well as array. So in Python we use list for that type of question. So here I will explain all the function, how you can access the list, how you can manipulate the list in a Python. So first we will know what is list. So list is a collection of heterogeneous object. So here every element in a list is object. So that is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means there can be integer, there can be string, there can be float. Any data types can be there. So that's why we say it heterogeneous. There is one term is more, that is homogeneous, where the same data type occur. And the next line is duplicate data. That's mean list allows the duplicate data. And the next line is dynamic in nature. What does it mean? Suppose we have a list that size is 6, so we can change the size, we can increase or decrease the size of list. That mean our list is mutable, we can change the value of list. That is its nature, that is known as dynamic nature of list. So now we will see how we can create the list. So there is basically 4 methods. First we will see how we can create empty list, and the second one how we can create list using list function, and how we can create list using dynamic input, and the last one using split. So first we will see how we can implement empty list. So here I am creating one empty list. So list is denoted by big bracket. Now we'll check the type of A. You will see I have told you about the type function before. So this is list. So that's how we create empty list. Now the next we will see how we can create with the help of list function. So here what I have did, I have used list function. In the list function I have defined the range from 1 to 10. It always runs n-1, that's why it is printing 1 to 9 value. We can also define the steps here in a range function like this: list range 1 to 10, and suppose I am defining the step is 2. Now if you will print the A, you can see 1 and 3, 5, 7, 9. What is this step? You can refer my old video regarding string. I have explained in a detail regarding this step. It is running 2 steps. So first it is printing 1, then it is skipping 2, then it is printing 3, like this. 4 skipping and printing 5, like again 1 step, and second step is 7, again 1 step 8, so skipping, second step is 9. So that's how it is printing. Now we understand how we can create empty list and using list function. Now the next we will see how we can dynamically create our list. Yeah, so here I am creating A. Like we will use here eval function, which is typecasting function. It is basically used to convert any input. So whenever you are using input function, it takes by default string value, but here with the help of eval, according to the value it will change the data type. Let me explain. After running this, enter the value. So here I am printing A and for I'm also showing the type of A. So according to value it will change the data type. Let me show. So here I'm running, suppose I'm printing list. So I'm using big bracket and close, and you can see here this is printing here and this is list. So this is the way how you can dynamically create your list. Suppose, let me explain about eval. Suppose if we are typing like 1, yes. So in previous video I have explained what is tuple. Tuple is denoted by the parenthesis. So I have taken the value in a parenthesis. So now this value should be tuple according to the our input. Let me see. Yeah. So this is tuple. I have explained before regarding the tuple, but I will also make a video on tuple where I will show the all the operation on tuple. So I hope you understand how you can create your dynamically list. So now we will see how we can create using split function. Here I am taking one string like my name. So as I have told you regarding split, it is checking the space, it is checking the separator. So here we just need to do like b equal to a dot split, and now we will print the b. You can see where is the space, it is splitting that area and it is created one list. If you will check the type of b, you can see it is list. So I hope you understand regarding this. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. So now we will see how we can access the element of the list. So there are basically two ways. One is using index number and second one is slice operator, like before I have told in string. So first we will see the index number. So where we are using index number, that means that data type is ordered. What is ordered? Where every value have a particular index number. So here I am creating one list like A equal to 1 and Rajat and 2 comma 4, and here I am taking like 5. So as you know, 1 having index number 0, Rajat having one index number 1. So like this it is having index number, so we will print the Rajat, so we have to use the index number 1. So we will print like print in big bracket and we will pass the index number like 1. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see it is printing like Rajat. So that's how we can access the element using index number. Now the next we will see the using slicing operator. So I am creating one list here like 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 1 comma 4 comma 7. So like I have told you in the string, like that only we will slice here. So we will slice like print A. So first we will write the starting index, which is 0 colon end index. Suppose I am taking 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 is there, to 8. Yeah, why 8? Because always n minus 1. So it is fetching all the data like this. Print A 0 colon 8, and the step we can define like 2. So it will take like 1 1 it is taking and skipping the 3, printing the 4, like it is going through the 2 step and printing all the elements here. So here step value can be negative and positive. So if index value is in positive, then it will run from left to right. If it is in negative, it is run like right to left. So suppose I am taking like print a and taking all the elements, so we can just use colon. So starting and ending index will be start to end and -1. Now you will see it is reverse the list. I hope you understand regarding slice operator. So now we will see some function in a list. So all function I have written in a capital letter, it will be in a small letter. So first is len, which is helpful to find the length of the list. How many element is present in a list, we can get with the help of this. Let me show you. Like I am taking like one string like a equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. If you will print a dot, we will print like len of a. You can see it is giving us 4. So this is the length function. Next one is count. Count is basically used, we can check any specific element how many time it is occurring. Suppose I am taking some duplicate value like 5 4 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now if we will check a1 how many times 1 came here, so we will do like print a dot count and we will check 1, so it will come 4 times. 1 is coming 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Yes, it is coming 4 times. Now the next one is append. Append is basically used to add any value in the list. As I have told in the starting, this is list is dynamic in a nature, so you can add anything or you can also remove. So here suppose if we want to add anything, so here just need to a dot append and we are adding, like suppose we are adding this 5. Now if you will print the a, you can see it is coming 5 here. So what is the main thing you should remember about the append? Whenever we are adding anything using append, it will always come at the end of the list. So now the next we will talk about the insert. So here why we have to use insert if we have already append is there? As I have told you that append always add the value at the end, but suppose if we want to insert any value in particular index number, in that case we will use a insert function. So here I am just using a dot insert, and suppose we need to add the value in the first index, so we will use like first comma, suppose I am adding 4 4. Now if you will print the a, you can see here in the first index 44 is came and 3 is shifted into second index. So that is the basic difference between insert and append. Anyone can ask you that regarding what is the difference between append and insert, so you just need to tell whenever we are using append function that add the value at the end, but in the case of insert it append the value into the particular index number. Now the next one is remove, as it is clear with name only. Suppose we have to remove like a dot remove 44, so we just use, now we will see like a, you can see 44 is removed. Now the next one is pop. Pop is basically used to remove the element only, but in pop case it always remove the last element. So suppose we are doing like a dot pop Now you can see it will remove 5 here. Yeah, it is showing that it is removing 5. You can see 5 is removed. So what is the difference between remove and pop? Remove function remove the particular element, but pop function always remove the last element of the list. Now we will talk about the reverse. So reverse, so a dot reverse, we are doing that, so it will reverse the value. Let me show, print a, it is reverse the values element. You can also do this with the help of slice operator. And the last one is sort. So sort function is very important in any language. If you want to sort any element, you have to type the logic, but in the Python just you need to type the one line of the code, it will sort the element. So suppose if you want to sort this a list, so we just need to do like a dot sort. Now if you will print a, you can see it is in 11134. Suppose we are going to take one string list like Rajat, Padhyay, mastermind. Now we will use a dot sort, so it will sort the element with the in dictionary order. So these were the important function in a list. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. Let me tell you some more operation, like we can also add the string like suppose 1 comma 2 3 comma 5 and b is like 5 comma 7 comma 8. So we can also add this list. These are the some operation we can perform. So our list is new list is there. Now you can also do like this, you can double the list, you can also, so please do practice on this list functions and let me know in the comment section if you have any query. And please subscribe to my channel for daily videos. And I have created about the identifier, string, data type and the escape character, and now I'm teaching that about the list. So in any video, if you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.